What's up, you guys? So I'm actually going to be doing my very first unboxing. Well, it's not an unboxing, it's more of an unpackaging. I just got approved for the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Card. It's my very first business card. I've had my own business for a little over 4 years now, and I never thought to actually try to go after the business cards because honestly, I don't know. Maybe I was just a little bit apprehensive of whether or not I was going to get approved or not. I'm not exactly 100% sure as to why I didn't really do it. But yeah, so I'm going to tape everything off, all the important information, you know, names and all that, and credit card numbers and whatnot. And I'm going to go ahead and get into the unpackaging. I'm actually pretty excited, and I'll go over the benefits of the card and, you know, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. So I'm gonna tape everything off and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and we are here, and there you have it. So anytime you get something from Westerville, Ohio, it's always nice. I've taped off everything that I needed to be taped off, all the personal information. And so it says your Inc. Business Preferred Card is here. And so I'm actually a little disappointed because this being my first business card, I do understand why my credit line is so low. It is because I do not have any credit established under my business's name. And so as you guys know, that with your personal score as well, if you do not use your credit, it'll actually hurt you. And you know, basically you will not get higher lines of credit if you are not established or if you don't have a good credit profile. So in terms of my business, this is the start for my credit profile. Like I said, I have never tried to apply for any business lines of credit. I just was running based off of my own personal credit lines. And so I do have higher lines of credit with my personal side. I have cards that range from around 10 to 20,000, and all of that goes along with your credit score and with your credit profile, your payment history, and how much debt you have. So with this, I'm actually excited because I'm hoping to get my PEDX score off to a good start and keep it at 100, you know? So again, this is the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Card, and I will go ahead and get into it. So there's the card right there, you guys. It is it's actually a pretty nice card. You know, it's a shame that it's not metal, to be honest, because this kind of would give some of the metal cards a run for their money in terms of the look. It's a plastic card, so basically, as I pull it off of here, it's a plastic card, so it's very flimsy. You know, I really wish it would have been a metal card. I think it deserves to be metal, seeing how it does earn Chase Ultimate Rewards points. And so, you know, this is considered one of the top cards, or a top tier card for a business card. And yeah, so it's a really good looking card. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into some of the benefits of this card. So as you guys see here, it says, make running your business even more rewarding. You get 3 points per dollar on the first $150,000 spent in combined purchases each account anniversary year on travel, shipping purchases, advertising, such as anything that's made on social media sites, or, you know, like Google ads or anything like that, phone, internet, and cable TV services. So a lot of this stuff, you know, you'll get 3 points per dollar spent on that, and everything else you'll get 1 point per dollar. Let's see what kind of terms they're giving me. The business agreement, whoa. So I'll never pay a 23.24% APR, even though those are the terms. I do understand why my interest rate is so high. It's because my business's PEDX score is at 0. And so they do actually ask for your social security number, and they do pull your Equifax and your Experian score. I'm not really too concerned with the APR on this card because I'm never gonna pay it. Things that you're covered with: the built-in premium benefits, shop confidently, purchase protection, zero liability protection, fraud early warning protection, travel confidently, trip cancellation, trip interruption insurance, auto rental collision damage waiver, and cell phone protection, which is nice. I actually like that, and I will expand on that a little bit more. Normally when you get cell phone protection, if I buy a cell phone with this card, it will cover it up to a certain amount. I'm not exactly sure how it is with iPhones, but yeah. So a lot of this is facts about personal information, what they share, what they don't share. That's kind of crap, doesn't really matter. The card agreement, I'll actually look over that, but I will not look over it on this video for the sake of time. And then, earn rewards on everything that you get, whatever on every purchase. 3 points per dollar again on all that. Points do not expire as long as your account remains open. Now, I do want to let you guys know this card does have a $95 annual fee, but it has an 80,000 point sign-up bonus after spending $5,000 in the first 3 months. And that's not going to be a difficult thing for me to do. And I will go into other videos as to why. I obviously have accounts with them, so they're just going to add it to my profile on my account. And yeah, so everything is kind of, I really wish they would have better packaging for this card. I think it deserves to, just because it's one of the premier business cards, for Chase at least. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm actually really excited to start spending on this thing. And guys, just make sure anytime you apply for a new card, anything like that, make sure you guys are responsible. Make sure you pay your debts off. Do not leave high balances. And there are benefits to having a business card. They do not impact your personal credit utilization. And if you have a high utilization rate on your personal side of your credit, you can actually drop your credit score. Obviously, it's only short term, but if you have some purchases that you need to make and you need to finance them, then obviously you're not setting yourself up for the best interest rates moving forward in that short period of time that your credit score is affected by a high utilization rate. So I would suggest going for business cards. So yeah, but that's it, guys. I'm actually very excited to use this card. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys actually have this card, let me know what you think about it. And what do you guys think about business cards? Would you prefer to get one? What's stopping you from getting one? Or do you just not see the benefits in one? Would you rather just have your personal credit cards? Just guys, let me know down in the comments below, and that'll be it. All right, see you guys next time. Peace.